Okay, sometimes you have to scale your photo. So the photo is big or small and you would like to scale it. So let me see. I've added a very rather big photo to the folder that I had my LaTeX document. You can see that it couldn't even fit in the first page because I've been writing something here, and it automatically went to page 2, which I didn't say, and this is really making a mess. So what I do is I will add the scaling here. So I would like the photo to be scaled to, let's say, 0.25, because this is rather big. And then, yep, you can see that my photo is here, and this is a small one, and it has everything, the caption here, and I've also referred to this. If you pay attention, it is somehow left aligned. So what I can do is to tell LaTeX, okay, I would like centering, centering, yeah. I would like my photo to be centered, so please make it centered. And this is very easy and useful. Also, instead of this, I can easily say, okay, I've got some width. I would like it to be exactly like the line width, which is like this. Or I can change it and say, okay, I would like it to be half the size of a line width, which will be like this. As you see, this is very easy to scale the photos, and of course very useful